Hi, Ethan.
Welcome to Ethan Kitty Tour Video.
What are we going to be doing today, Ethan?
Slime.
Slime. We're going to be making some slime using Elmer's clear glue, borax, and food coloring. We already went ahead and put some slime in the bowl. And now we're going to pour the borax and water mixture to the slime. Can you pour it in, please?
This one?
Yes, pour it all in.
Okay. This one?
Yes, pour it all in.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, and now we're going to use a fork. We're just going to go ahead and mix it. And let's see if it becomes slime.
Yeah.
Start mixing. Is it starting to get slimy?
Yeah. It feels like, look.
And later we're going to put food coloring so that way we have different colors.
It's starting to get slime.
So here we are. It's starting to get a bit thick. Ethan's continuing to mix. Just keep on mixing. And then we're going to put them into separate bowls.
If you put it in the bowl and then you put the cleaning next. Whoa! Whoa!
Needs a little bit more borax, okay? Keep on mixing.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Whoa.
Keep on mixing.
Like this. I'm going to.
We're going to put food coloring in each one. Ethan, you're going to start it off?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to make first? Red.
5?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Okay. Now grab the red one and start mixing it. Grab it. With your hands, grab the slime and start mixing it.
It's just getting the blood.
Keep on mixing.
It's getting blood.
It's blood?
Yeah, just like blood.
Oh, you got to pick it all up. Pick it all up. Lift it up out of the cup. Yeah. Now mix it with your 2 hands. Is that cool? The table. It's coming? It's coming out?
Stop it.
Leave it on the table. Now get the blue one. And drop it over here. And the last one. What color is that?
Green.
Green. And
Yellow.
Dad just finished with the yellow one, which turned into kind of yellow-green. Because Ethan still had a lot of green slime on his hands.
Look at this.
So that's what we have, kids. Ethan, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye to the kids.
Bye.